Hi, I'm C. Brown from the C-Jack team at Compass. Welcome to 91 Osprey Way in Watermill South. This is a 1.1 acre property that has a 5,800 square foot house. There are 6 bedrooms, 7 full baths and 2 half baths, and all sorts of living space. It really does check all the boxes. This is the transitional space of this house. It's the Hamptons living. It is the transition between indoors and outdoors. The living room is here to your left, my left, and the kitchen and the breakfast nook are behind us, and behind that is the living room. Beautiful elevation of the back of the house, huge gunite pool, and a fire pit and sitting area, plus outdoor dining, and a fabulous pool house, which I can't wait to show you. So this is the pool house, which I think is really fabulous. It was designed much more recently than the house and was done by John Bjornen of John Bjornen Design. It has a full bath, a huge kitchen, a laundry area, storage, and a loft office den area, and it sits atop a 10-foot high ceilinged basement.
I'm Jack Pearson with the C-Jack team from Compass, and we are on the steps of 91 Osprey Way. And what an amazing property, because you have this 5,800 square foot house in Watermill South. What an amazing piece of property.